NRAAM 24, Dallas, Texas, and we've got a new handgun here, Rost Martin, born and bred in Dallas, Texas,
Yes,
which
sir.
is fitting, man.
Yes, sir.
The homecoming.
Yep, it's a home game this week.
So Chris here is going to tell us about this bad boy. Let's go.
So here we have the RM1C, which is our introductory pistol offering. So it's a striker-fired polymer compact pistol, made, as you said, right here in Dallas, Texas. So we've really focused on a lot with this pistol is the ergonomics, so it fits really nice in your hand. Really nice low bore access. It's super easy to shoot. Hit your a lot of rounds on target easier. So starting kind of moving from rear to front, we have a XDM sight footprint. So night sights are available out of the box if you want to find those. We've got a top anti-glare slide serration, so something you normally see on custom guns. On the side you have nice deep slide serration, so easy press checks there. 3-slot Picatinny rail, so you can run any type of light you want. An extended trigger guard, so if you're shooting in cold weather and you need gloves, you're not going to have any of that snag. Got a nice beveled edge here, so that the finger kind of finds the trigger with a little bit more ease. An undercut for the knuckle right here, so if you're shooting on the range for a long day, you're not going to get that hurt knuckle under there. We got ambi controls, so ambi's on both sides, so you see it right there. And then what I think really, what we know really separates this gun from other guns in the market is the trigger, a really nice definable wall, and then a really nice short reset as well. So 5 pounds or under on the trigger each time. Very consistent trigger pull every time. So
big shout out to our friends at Gideon Optics for helping us with the trip to NRAAM. Gideon Optics offers a variety of LPBO dot and prism optics. My favorites are the Rock dot sighting green, which I have on my Kiger 9C Pro, and the Advocate prism sight that is mounted on my very fun to shoot Strybog 22. Gideon gives you great features like your choice of red or green emitters, shake awake technology, Picatinny rail adapters included, and all optics come with an outstanding lifetime warranty. Yeah, I had a chance, what, about a month ago, I guess.
yeah, about a month ago, yeah.
To get hands on it and shoot it, and if you're fond of I think a more mild grip texture, you know, which lends itself, I think, to concealed carry too.
Sure.
You don't want
we'll
anything snagging up and that sort of stuff.
Exactly.
So, you know, really nice option, fairly compact design.
Yep.
I think it strikes that balance between a full size and, you know, your little small compacts.
Yeah, it's like a mid-size almost. Yeah, exactly.
So it really has a place. It
Yes,
has a market. So thanks, Chris, for showing it off.
Sure. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for watching, and
Appreciate it.
catch you on the next
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.